G'day trendsetters. I haven't done a video for quite some time and I really wanted to get one done. Let's turn that down. That is a new fan that I have put into the van. Something new at least. I was on Elder Scrolls yesterday and I came across someone and they said, why don't I do some more videos? And I thought, well, they're right. Why don't I do some more videos? I haven't done any for quite some time. I'm quite ashamed on why I haven't done any because, well, as you can still see, and I'll do a pan around, I still haven't done anything. Nothing is done in the van. I got a Nuka-Cola plushie now. That goes with me big banana. I'm embarrassed because I haven't done anything new since last year. Since I got the leaks in the roof done. And even still, that one there still leaks. So hence why there's a towel on the floor. When I'm parked up, as you can see, I can use my big screen. But when I'm not parked up, I'm on the laptop. So I'm still gaming in here. Oops. Don't know what I did then. Oh, YouTube. So I'm still gaming in here per se, but I'm not actually gaming on the actual PC. I have to use the laptop because if I use the laptop, I'll at least have 57% in the morning. And that will be awesome because by the time I get back in the van after work, then the power, if it's a sunny day, will be back up to 100%. Now I am still using the Bluetti power station. At the moment it's at 74%, as you can see. It's still charging, even though I'm parked up at the house at the moment. Oh, excuse me. Even though I'm parked up at the house at the moment, I haven't put it on to the quick power to power it up and charge it for Sunday night, as it's only Friday afternoon. So I'm trying to get the natural to charge it because, as I've been told with the Bluetti power station, they don't like it. It's not really good for the batteries if you just chuck it straight onto shore power and charge it up. This here is a kick-ass fan. Basically charges by USB-C. Once that last light is fully done, and it's like solid 4 lights all the way across, that will work all week for me if you leave it on the low setting. So yeah. So I will say that I'm really trying to get my van up. What I'm thinking to do this week, trendsetters, is I'll see if I can get some help from my gaming friends and put some ads out on Elder Scrolls, and I'm gonna go zone hopping as you would for guild membership. So, but instead of dropping a guild membership, I'm gonna drop TikTok and I'm gonna drop my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get this YouTube channel uploaded before I drop anything on PlayStation and PC. Because yeah, there's no point in pointing them towards the channel and there's no video uploaded. But I do want to say this. My name is Neo and I am living full-time in this Mercedes Sprinter. I bought it the way you see my intros. So when you see my videos on YouTube, the intro is very nice and it looks very nice. The wood was nice, it was all done wonderfully, but I didn't check to see if there was insulation behind the walls, and there wasn't. And all the wood started to buckle in here and I was gutted. So now what I've got to do is I've got to do a whole power setup, which is going to cost me $6,000. I've got that priced at Kick-Ass. And then rip out that air conditioner in the roof that is connected to the engine bay. So take that out and put in a whole brand new air conditioner unit, which will go to the batteries once they're installed. And yeah, that'll cost $7,000. I have a link in my YouTube and I have a link on my TikTok for donations. If anyone can point me into the direction of anyone being able to help me, awesome. I've tried doing this for the past 1.5 years, 2 years by myself. Every time I try and get money up, I've got to tap into it. I've just tapped into it again for Rego. I've got to do a service on the vehicle and I need new tires. So that's putting me down to square one again. Every time I almost get up and I can get my new stereo for the front there. That's an old stereo. Sorry about the sudden, because you can't flip the screen on the iPhone. That is a 2011 stereo for the Mercedes Sprinter. It's stuffed. It doesn't turn on anymore. Or when it does turn on, the speakers are stuffed. So I got to get new speakers and a new stereo. And a camera put out the back because this is a huge van. It's a long wheelbase, high set roof, hence why I'm able to stand up in here. And yeah, so any help that anyone can ever assist me with, even if there's like somewhere that'll help build this out. I got the ideas in my head that I want for this van. I want a record player. I want the Voltec logo on the roof. I want the nice floor. I want actual shelving in here. Every time I drive, I have to take that off its mount and lay the TV on its side on the bed here and hope to God that it doesn't move when I'm driving down the road. And I have to move the PlayStation, I have to move the cabinetry there and put it on the ground. So every time I'm going somewhere, I have to move everything. Whereas Trent the gamer, if you've seen his setup, I think all he has to do is just push his chair in, get a few knickknacks off his table, and he's able to jump in his chair and drive down the road. And he's got the exact same fan as this, but it's a 2026 model, or 25, one of the two. So, but we're coming up to 10 minutes. I don't really want to bore you. I'm doing this every day in my van. I want to be able to show you guys that things are progressing in the van, and this is why I haven't done a follow-up video in a while, because I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed because nothing's happened, nothing's done, I'm gutted because I'm walking in here every day after work depressed because nothing's done. So Anyway, guys, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching my videos. Check out my previous videos of the bed being built, everything like that. Like and subscribe. If anyone can help out with any donations, if anyone can pass on my channel to other people who can help with either van build assist or something like that, that'd be great. I just really want to get this van up and going. I mean, even that there, like, that's my sound when I watch my TV. Like, this screen here, because it's got no speakers in it, that's my sound, and every time I move, I have to put that on the floor, and then I have to hang it back up again. Whereas I would like to have like a sort of a fixed feature there, and to be able to hang it there all the time. I want to be able to leave my screen here and lock it into place, so when I'm driving down the road, I know it's not going to go anywhere. I want to have shelving here where it's locked and stuff like that, and it stays into place, and I don't have these nails here with zip ties holding it. Because if I turn a corner and I haven't stuck a zip tie on, the drawer comes out. And I have food in these, like nuts, breakfast biscuits, and stuff like that, because I can't have a fridge in here at the moment, because the fridge, if I have a fridge going, that'll set the Bluetti power station flat. So I'm really doing it tough, and I'm like, look, there's people living in their cars, and I get that. There's people living in some vans, and it's not up to this spec. But I can assure you, their car and their vans have probably got insulation walls and everything like that. I don't have any of that, and winter's coming up. Even though in Queensland here, winter is not that bad. It really isn't. But over night time, at 2 o'clock in the morning, it's cold. And it's going to be cold in here. So I will be grateful with any help that I get. I'm going to upload this today. It is the, let's see what, I've got to put steam down so I can see what the date is today. It is the 27th of the 2nd. The Batmobile, of course. The old classic Batmobile as well. So, alright, we're hitting the 13-minute mark. So, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel. If anyone can help, the links are below or on my page. I can get it through PayPal. With TikTok before, someone did donate, and I think it was just I don't know what it was, but it was one person paid 18 cents and another person paid 65 cents. Look, donations are always welcome, but they've got to be donations that I can actually use, because I didn't get any of it, you know. I'm not really going to claim it. So I know every cent helps, but it has to be of a dollar value, you know, of something that I can use to put towards the van, because PayPal takes half or a percentage of it. Anyway, thank you. It's about to start raining, and I better shut that door. Otherwise, I'm going to get wet in here. Thank you. Take care. Bye.